The KEDIERS PC Case C570 is designed with powerful cooling in mind, featuring 7 pre-installed RGB fans to keep your system running smoothly. This gaming case comes equipped with two 4mm thick tempered glass panels that offer a clear view of the vibrant RGB lighting and internal components, enhancing the gaming atmosphere. KEDIERS has made RGB customization easy with the C570, allowing users to control the lighting through computer software, a remote control, or the RGB buttons. The I/O panel on the C570 is well equipped with 2 USB 3.0 ports, 1 USB 2.0 port, HD audio, an RGB button, and a power button for convenient connectivity. This mid-tower gaming case supports a variety of motherboard sizes, including ATX, Micro-ATX, and Mini-ITX, offering remarkable expansion options. The stylish open-frame design not only aids in cooling, but also provides an aesthetically pleasing look for any gaming setup.